What's up, y'all? Mr. Wrench here. Just coming to give y'all a little quick preview of what I'm working on today. Today I'm working on the Chevy Suburban and doing it in the driveway, of course. I don't feel like going to the shop. This is my wife's truck. But fuel pump. So what I'm gonna show you is you got, when you drop this fuel pump or the fuel tank, you got two 15mm bolts that holds the hangers up. The hangers is what holds the fuel tank to the frame body of the truck. You got two sensors. This is a 2010 Suburban, by the way. You got two sensors right here, one for the fuel pump and then one for the to read the fuel gauge. You got two lines. One of them is a quick release. You squeeze the clips, pull in and push out on that line. This second line right here, you're gonna need a pick tool. So what you do is slide the pick tool under a corner of this. And as you see, it has these clamps on the bottom side of it that you squeeze together. But the other hand, you use the pick tool to pry this up. It'll pop this line off. Be careful if it has any pressure on it. It'll definitely spray a little bit of fuel out, which it did. You can also go to the front of the engine. You can go to the front of the engine. And you can go to the fuel line. Take the cap off right there. Take the little pick tool, push down on the bleeder. Have a rag, put under there, of course, just to catch any fumes or any little leakage out. Push the bleeder down till it releases all the pressure off. Then when you take the lines off the fuel pump, there won't be any pressure blowing back on you. And then basically, that's pretty much it. You got two hangers, one here, one there. And remember, where you take them out at, this is the back one, the front one. The front one, the bolt is smaller and shorter. So just remember that when you take the hangers out. You got a couple lines. They go to the evap system, running through here and through there. They clamped on. Same on the other side. You just pop them off easy. The clamps just push to the side and pop up. Pop those off. Then you drop the tank. You got the tank pretty empty, so don't have to worry about the weight of the gas because we ran it pretty low. And that's about it. And then to remove the fuel pump, as you see it's pretty rusted. So what you want to do is kind of knock that rust off of there, get a shop vac, and clean it up really good before you pop the clamp the clamp off. So this clamp, what it does is a spin lock clamp. You go into the groove right here and just slowly tap it until it unlocks, until it pops out of the groove here. So you just slide it this way, it's gonna pop out, slide the fuel pump out, check everything, try to clean the tank, and come back to it. So this is that. I'll be back once I'm putting it back together. Follow, like, and subscribe. Peace.